Dreame Z10 Station Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Auto Empty. The smart way to empty the dust. Lift the vacuum easily with its portable and lightweight design and start cleaning now. Speedy brushless motor brings you a mighty suction of all cordless vacuums, while a 5-layer filtration system efficiently filters dust to breathe easier at home. Blue lights reveal tiny particles hidden in dark corners to clean a wider area of your house. Versatile multi-surface brush roller picks up your pet's fur from the carpet. Adaptable soft roller brush scrubs dry messes from hard floors, keeping them dirt-free. Z10 Station smartly adapts to various floor types, optimizing the power up to the dirt level. It starts charging automatically when back into the base station. Just one press to empty dust for your hands-free experience. Multi-cone dust collector prevents dust from chaotically floating all over your house. Ample dust bag traps and stores dust as long as you need for your touchless comfort. Advanced motorized mini brush with built-in blue lights illuminates the cleaning area and efficiently removes all the fur or hair from your sofa. Soft dusting brush picks coffee grounds from flat surfaces. Combination tool effortlessly sweeps all the dust and dirt, reaching your home ceiling and shelves. Z10 is always juicy to provide 65 minutes of non-stop cleaning. Dreame Z10 Station, cordless vacuum cleaner with auto empty, invented for your dust-free, cord-free, hassle-free home.